Herbert Hoover was the 31st President of the United States, serving from 1929 to 1933. He was born in West Branch, Iowa in 1874 and grew up in a Quaker family. Hoover's early life was marked by tragedy, as both of his parents died when he was young. Despite this, he was an exceptional student and went on to study at Stanford University, where he earned a degree in geology. After graduation, Hoover worked as a mining engineer and quickly rose to prominence in his field. He became known for his innovative techniques and his ability to turn around failing mines. During World War I, Hoover volunteered for humanitarian work in Europe, helping to provide relief to civilians who were affected by the conflict.